stands offer a convenient and portable way to display your banners. Each L-stand banner comes with its own convenient carrying case and all the components you need for installation. Installation begins with attaching the base to the support pole. Attach the top of your print graphic to the support pole using the arrow indicated on the crossmember. Again, using the arrows, attach the bottom of the graphic and extend the pole to the desired tension and tighten clamp. Your church will get years of benefit using this convenient display system.